guys, this is Momta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to do makeup for small eyes and then that looks more bigger. एकजना सब्स्क्राइबरले चाहिँ अस्ति नै दिन रिक्वेस्ट गर्नुभएको थियो सानो आँखामा मेकअप कसरी गर्ने ठुलो देखाउनको लागि भनेर. So I'm here with the solution. So without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm using this Hoola Beauty Warm Brown Obsession Eyeshadow Palette. So first I'm going to set my eyes just like this. So now I'm going to take this as my crease color. So you have to blend it really well. Especially चाहिँ हामी नेपालीहरु हामी Mongolian face भएको मान्छेहरुको चाहिँ आँखा चाहिँ एकदमै सानो हुन्छ. त्यो भएर चाहिँ सकेसम्म चाहिँ ठुलो बनाउने कोसिस गर्ने हो हामीले चाहिँ यो मेकअप भिडियोमा चाहिँ. So let's see कतिको ठुलो बनाउन सक्छौं हामीले है त. Again, I'm going to take this color right here to make my crease color more darker. So you have to be very careful when you are blending. Don't mess it up. एकदमै light-handed. Build up slowly. Don't use too much of color at the same time. Next, I'm going to take the darkest color from the same eyeshadow palette. And again, I'm going to take this to darken my crease color. So here I'm building the color very slowly. And I think I'm done with this. So now I'm going to take concealer right here. And I'm going to take my small eyeshadow brush and I'm going to cut my crease. So you guys already know cut crease गरेपछि चाहिँ यसरी राम्रोसँग सेट गर्नुपर्छ. त्यसपछि again taking that same dark color. So blending is key, guys. So अब चाहिँ eyeshadow color थपे नि हुन्छ, यतिकै छोड्दै नि हुन्छ. For me, I want to add a little bit of glitter. So मेरो लागि चाहिँ म next को glitter primer लिन्छु. eyelidहरूमा यसरी लगाउँछु यो खाली भएको ठाउँमा. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो glitter primer हो. मजाले लगाउँछु यसरी. And I'm going to take this glitter from NYX. So I'm going to line my... So eyeliner is very important to make your eyes a little bit more bigger. So now to make my eye look more bigger, now I'm going to line my waterline. So lining your lower waterline with a nude or a white eyeliner pencil, it makes your eyes look more wider. See, to smoke my lower lash line, I'm going to take the darkest color from eyeshadow palette. And of course, I can see my eyes more bigger. Again, I'm going to take my transition color and blend it like this. So to match my outfit, I'm going to take that color from Morphe Mini Artery palette and place it right here. So last one more thing, your mascara. So I'm taking this roller lash mascara from Benefit. So for me, if you guys wanna make your eye look more bigger and wider, I think better to use round खालको eyelashes लगायो भने चाहिँ अझै ठुलो देखिन्छ किन. So यस्तो खालको eyelashesहरु लगायो भने चाहिँ आँखा ठुलो देखिन्छ किनभने यो चाहिँ अलि open wide खालको eyelashes हो. And don't forget to highlight your brow bone. Smells so good, perfect for my cracked lips. Okay, so this is our final look. Look at our eyes, look so big. And of course, I love this lipstick. So this is it. I hope you guys like this video and I hope this video helped you guys out there. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.